If you don't understand all the layers on your skin or the muscle that's laid out on your face, then just follow my instructions. I've known about this product almost a year now, but I couldn't buy it because the pricing in the US was way more than what I would pay in South Korea. I don't know. For some reason, I can't do that, knowing that I can buy this cheaper somewhere else, especially when I travel to Korea once a year. And I wanted to make today's video because I've seen a lot of TikTok and YouTube videos. People are just using the way, I wouldn't use. This is not a cheap device. I want to make sure that you guys are getting the full benefit out of this device. Ta-da! I finally got this Azure Booster Pro that I've been wanting to get, and I made a TikTok video about how I got the best deal. So if you missed it, I'll put down the link below. Ta-da! I always wanted to do this. Okay, it says, please remove this label before use. All right. First of all, I'm going to download this app so I can connect my device to this. While I'm waiting for this app to be downloaded, let me go over what are the 4 different modes you can get benefit from this device. The first mode is called airshot mode, aka electric needles. Airshot mode helps improve pore elasticity by creating non-damaging passageways on the skin layer with electric needles. Electric needle technology forms microholes and improves pore elasticity. The second mode is called booster mode, aka electroporation. Booster mode helps absorb active ingredients and delivers them while boosting radiance, utilizes electroporation, more stable utilization of electroporation, creating temporary fine holes for the maximized absorption of active ingredients. And there is MC mode, microcurrent. MC mode helps to volumize facial lines. Microcurrent targets the area around the eyes, smile lines, and mouth. And lastly, there's a dermashot mode, aka EMS. Dermashot mode stimulates sagging skin and care for muscles to create a firmer facial contour. Okay, it's finally downloaded and I'm just signing up. So finally it's set up and I'm going to connect my device. Booster mode, level 1. As you switch the mode here, microcurrent mode, dermashot mode, airshot mode, booster mode, level 1. You see how your app is changing? So the first mode that shows up is always booster mode. However, I wanted to show you how to use all the different modes in one setting. We're gonna start with the airshot mode. Make sure your face is dry and there's nothing on it. Airshot mode is for the poor, and I see people making a lot of mistakes. So pay attention. The way you use this device is not just putting all over with the whole surface. No, you want to use this surface instead of the whole surface. I hope you understood which area you should be using. Next, instead of pressing this device throughout your face, I want you to draw a small V or check mark. If you look this video closely, I am using this device and I'm drawing little V shape throughout all over my face. And if you're not sure how fast you should do this, just follow me. You don't want to do too fast or too slow. For vast majority of people, we have a bigger pore around the T-zone or near the T-zone. So after I cover all over my face, I'm actually going back to that T-zone area right here. I have noticed that over time with the aging, my pore around the T-zone got a little bigger. Just like you, I also want this product to work on me because I want to have that smaller pore back. Oh my gosh, speaking of pores, if you guys want to know any pore routines that I do, please leave me a comment down below. I've tried so many stuff and I found a few that works actually. But this device, I hope it gives me more than what I have achieved already. I thought about shortening this video or maybe make things faster, but I decided to just leave it as is in case there are someone who just wants to follow the pace. But if you mastered already how to use the airshot mode, then you can skip to the next part. That will be a booster mode. So I just finished my 2 cheeks and then forehead. So the only area that's left is here and here. And for these areas, you want to use this tip. Oops. Okay. 2 minutes passed. For these 2 areas, you want to go up and down and up and down. And that's it. Now that I'm done with the airship mode, I'm going to switch to booster mode. And I will be using my skincare product. Finally, my skin is so dry right now. You switch by clicking this button. Make sure you set to level 1 if it's your first time using it. There are different ways to use booster mode depending on what kind of products you're using. I'll be using collagen serum and it's a liquid form. So let me show you how to use this. Okay. And now you want to use the whole surface finally. So you want to circle and you'll feel something. You want to circle, 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 cover every surface on your face. Booster mode is essentially for your skincare products to go deeper in your skin. And I'm so bad at talking while I'm doing something on my face. Trying. There are different ways of using booster mode if your product is a cream form or gel form. And again, I use the liquid serum form, and this is how I would use booster mode with the liquid form. One minute passed. Okay, 1 minute has passed, so I'll do the left side. And as I'm doing this, I'm gonna check on the app. I would highly recommend for you to use this booster mode before makeup because once you have a better skincare, then you have a stronger foundation for your makeup. While I was using this device, I thought about okay, which area on my skin gets the driest, the quickest? For me, those areas are near my eyes and near my lips, so I spent just a little bit more time around those areas. The reason I go circular way instead of the vertical way is for the skincare products to be absorbed evenly. For me, I always notice like once I put on a makeup, around my eye areas are where it gets the driest. So I'm going to do a little more than other areas. So now I'm gonna do my forehead. Three minutes passed. Just done with my face. And girls, don't say you're done either. You forgot your neck. The only advice I can give you for the neck area is make sure you avoid this area. What is it called in English? I forgot, whatever. I just finished the booster mode and I'm going to switch to this. This is one of my favorite mode. Here's another tip. For this MC mode, you're using the same surface as the booster mode. However, when you apply it, instead of going circular ways, you're going, you can see that from my video right now. So a little bit more pressure towards to your ears. Like you gotta go against the gravity here. Who wants wrinkles around your eyes, right? And when you do eye areas, make sure your skin is reaching towards to your forehead. I pay extra attention for my chin area because I want to avoid having a double chin. So I would do this a little differently. If you were using this way for your face, this is now time to reverse it this way. And I'm going to get all the skins up towards to my ears. And the same for the left side. And then the middle. I'm going to make another full video of how to take care of your neck. But for this video, I'm just showing you what I would do in daily basis. For the neck part, I just did sideways and now I'm going this way. And same thing, make sure you don't hit here. Do the shot mode, level 1. Whoa. I'm just checking to make sure if it's level 1. Okay, it is level 1. I've been paying attention to my eye areas. And I'll show you how to use this on your eye as well. So you want to, oh my gosh, I couldn't say anything. Sorry guys. I'm gonna put voiceover for this part. I'm not gonna lie, it felt like my muscle was twitching and I wasn't sure if it's safe but it should be like this. So for this mode, I wanted to use mainly for my eye areas and near my lip areas where I think I will get wrinkles first as I'm aging. This last mode is about wrinkles. So instead of just rubbing all over, you only want to focus on the area you want to use, and you should follow the way muscle is laid out. I am concerned with my near lip area, and muscles around those areas are circular, not vertical. So I'm carefully following this muscle line with this device.
One minute passed. Two minutes passed.
And I wanted to get some eyebrow lifting, so as you see, I'm lifting my eyebrow up against the gravity following how my muscle is designed. And I'm doing a little bit more extra on my eyebrow because of my eyebrow. Since there is some hair, it didn't really get the all benefit. So I'm just using it one more time to make sure.
Three minutes passed.
And I've said it already, but just so you know one more time, do not use this device on your Adam's apple area. Okay, I'm gonna finish today. I just want to show you guys how you can use all four instead of just using one mode. I'm gonna turn it off and wipe this down with alcohol and save it for the next time. Okay, so today was my first time using this device, and like I said, I'll be using for a month in regular basis, and then you guys tell me how I look different, if it's effective or not. And I didn't put any cream yet, so I'm gonna finish this video with just my skincare routine. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please subscribe me and leave me a comment too if you have any question, and I'll get back to you. And that was it. Thank you for supporting my channel, and see you again.